Okay, so this is my hair right now. It's about day 3 and it's definitely a wash day. I have thick wavy hair and one of my biggest struggles is frizz. So many different products and routines, but I still feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. So today I'm trying things a little bit differently. I'm letting Chatgpt decide my entire routine and the products that I should be using. It's basically going to tell me everything that I'm supposed to do for this wash day. But I did give ChatGPT some basic rules that I wanted to follow. The number one thing that I put into ChatGPT as a prompt is that I definitely want it to be affordable and easy to access in my drugstore. Like, I don't want to be having to pull up at some store a million miles away trying to find this extremely rare product that only exists in a foreign country. I don't want to do that to myself. I just want something simple. Third, I don't want any alcohols in my products because I don't want my hair to dry out. And there's one more rule. Whatever ChatGPT recommends, I will try following exactly. So let's see what it comes up with. I put all of my hair care information into ChatGPT and asked it to create a routine for me. And it actually gave me a full step-by-step, including product pictures, which are probably going to be really handy when I'm at the drugstore. It told me what to use when and how to style my waves. I don't have a diffuser, so I don't really know what I'm going to do about that situation. It sounds really affordable. Now comes the fun part. We have to go shopping for all these products. Okay, low-key, there's some very cute things here, but I'm gonna focus. There are so many options here, I could easily get distracted, but I'm going to focus on what I came here for and what Chat recommended. I've always really wanted to try this, but I never have. That was the most stressful situation of my life. I'm definitely going to make sure that I plan on not vlogging in a store ever again because it's so scary. There weren't that many people there, but then there was like a mom and a daughter and they were like going through the aisle and I just like had the ultimate ick for myself. But if I want to do this, then I need to get used to being awkward. It's okay. You guys, that was so scary. Filming in a store was detrimental for my mental health, and I don't know if I will ever put myself through that again, but maybe it's an exercise of just like not giving a shit, you know? Oh my god, okay. Also, the total was more expensive than I thought it was going to be. It was $41 in total. The Curl Talk product. This is the leave-in conditioner. I will say that that curl cream, the leave-in one, did have alcohol in it, so I'm like a little icked out by that, but that's okay. I'm gonna try it out. Then I got the Curl Talk cream as well. This one doesn't seem to have any alcohol in it, but I am really bad at reading, so perhaps it will also be in there somewhere. And then I have this as well. This one definitely didn't have any alcohol in it, so that's good. I would have preferred to get things that were fragrance free, but this is what we're working with right now. Exciting, yay! I kind of look like I have noodles for hair right now, so I need to style my hair immediately for my self-confidence. Now it's finally time to do the actual routine. I started by washing off my hair exactly the way Chatgpt told me to do it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to the styling product. It's really handy that this is a little bit of a spray situation, because like I can even just go in and spray my hair like that and then just work it into the lengths of my hair. Okay, I don't know why I'm delaying this. Let's just apply it to your hair. What happens if I want to change my part? I really want to comb my hair, but I'm definitely not going to. According to Chat, touching my hair will cause frizz, so I'm trying not to touch my hair right now, but that's actually the hardest part because I so badly want to touch my hair. Especially that little curl is just making me feel really overstimulated. Okay, so next it's time for this giant bottle of gel that I bought. I desperately need to do my skincare and I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do, so I'm just gently clipping them back, praying that this doesn't ruin anything. Today I'm gonna put on my retinol, just a pea-sized amount. I'm trying my hardest not to touch my hair, but it's kind of in this really crunchy state right now and I really want to touch it. This is so difficult. This is what my hair looks like so far. I kind of like clipped it up because it was really bugging me because it was in my face. The weird thing that I'm noticing about my curls is that this side of my hair curls this way, but this side of my hair curls towards my face. Anyways, maybe in the morning when I wake up, I'll just take this little piece and curl it this way. Problem solved. So last night I slept in a ponytail on top of my head with this silk cap on. My hair was still wet when I went to bed and I think that's probably really bad for me. Definitely really need to get my act together and get like a diffuser of some sort if I'm gonna do this next time. Final reveal. I looked a little crazy when I woke up. This is my hair. It smells really tasty. I don't know how hair can smell tasty, but it smells tasty. So that's what it's looking like. I think I might need to put a little bit more water in today and then just like fix and adjust. Let's go to the bathroom and adjust the curls.
Day 1 was beautiful, amazing, but day 2, not so much.
And so I went ahead, went to Winners and grabbed myself this hair bottle spray. And I also grabbed one of these. So I got this comb as well from Winners and it's supposed to help create a curl, kind of like the picture they're showing here. And so we'll give this a shot as well. Everything was actually a really good deal. I checked, these were cheaper at Winners than they were on Amazon. This is obviously not sponsored, but you might want to check out Winners because it's a lot cheaper there than Amazon. Another quick thing that I forgot to mention is a silk cap. I genuinely love sleeping in a silk cap. A lot of people do the silk pillows, but this just feels so comfy. And let's say I want an updo, but my hair doesn't fit in a ponytail. I just throw this on around the house as well because it's just so comfortable. And this one I actually got from the dollar store and it was such a steal. So go ahead and get yourself a satin or silk cap that you can wear at night. This is a very hefty brush. That's actually kind of cool. So now that my hair is wet, I guess I scrunch. I don't know what I'm doing, yay. Okay, so we're gonna grab a chunk, twist it away from our face. I don't know, but that's what it's looking like. Let's try a smaller piece. Perhaps my hair is too short to do this with.
So on day 2, after I woke up, I tried to refresh my curls, but I was having a really hard time, as you can see here.
Now let's put in a little bit of gel. Scrunch it in. and see what that ends up looking.
My hair got really sticky, so I gave up. I did try the routine just one more time. Here's the results.
Gel is holding them together. I think the more I do this, the more the curls will develop and turn into perfect ringlets, because I do straighten my hair a lot, and so they haven't had time to like fully develop.
In my opinion, this is definitely worth a try. However, remember that this will only last a day. Refreshing my curls was something I couldn't figure out, so I can't offer you tips in this video. The products delivered exactly what they promised, but next time I think I would go for scent free.
A little bit frizzy, but I do like definition.